from Arts Technical Campus in MBA Department, SAS, Ahmednagar. Last lecture discussing working capital term loan. So the previous lecture discussing working capital term loan. Today lecture discussing alternative current asset policies. Okay, and fixed capital versus working capital. So the working capital term loan. Working capital term loan means working capital term loan. This is what working capital. WCTL means working capital term loan. Show the working capital term loan. This is the formula is MPBF. MPBF means maximum permissible bank finance. MPBF means maximum permissible bank finance. This is called maximum permissible bank finance. This is a MBF. MPBF means maximum permissible bank finance is equal to NWC. NWC means non-charitable current asset. NWC means this is a NWC. NWC means net working capital. So the NWC net working capital. Working capital MPBF is equal to NWC plus OSCL. So the MPBF is equal to NWC plus OSCL. OSCL means, show the OSCL is equal to other current liability less creditors for purchase. Other current liability liabilities other current liabilities and less creditors for purchase. Less creditors for purchase. So the MPBF is equal to NWC plus OSCL minus NAP minus NCCA oblique CCA margin. This formula is working capital term loan. Working capital term loan formula MPBF is equal to NWC plus OSCL minus NCCA oblique CCA. NCCA, show the NCCA means non-charitable current asset. Non-charitable current asset. is the cash in hand, cash, stock, debtors. This is the current asset. And fixed asset. Fixed asset means fixed property. For example, investment, long-term investment, machinery, building, land. This is a fixed asset. So the a firm needs fixed and current asset to support a particular level of output. However, to support the some level of output, the firm can have different level of current asset as the firm output and sales increase. The need of current asset increase in direct proportions to output. Current asset increase at decreasing rate with output. This relationship is based upon the notion that it takes a greater proportional investment in current asset when only a few units of output and product than it does later on when the firm can use in current asset more different difficulty. Alternative current asset policies. So the alternative current asset policies, this is the alternative current asset policy. Current asset policy. Alternative current asset policy. Show the figure. Level of current asset. Level current level of current asset. Assets. Show the level of current asset. This side output. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. This is the 14. Okay. So the alternative current asset, which is how alternative current asset. First one is conservative policies. First one is a conservative policies. Policies. Conservative policies. The symbol. And second one B average policy. B average policy. Average policy. And third one C aggressive policy. Aggressive policy. Policy. Aggressive policy. And fixed asset level. Fixed asset level. Level policy. So the conservative policy. Show the conservative policy. So show the conservative policies. This show the conservative policies. This is the fixed asset level. This is the fixed asset level. Fixed asset level. Aggressive policy. Show this aggressive policy. Aggressive policy. This aggressive policy. And next one, average. This average policy. This average policy. And last one is conservative policy. Show the conservative policy. Show the conservative policy. This is a different level of current asset policies. First one is fixed asset level policies. Show the fixed asset level policy. This is a fixed asset. This fixed asset level policy. Level policy. Second one is aggressive policy. Show this aggressive policy. Aggressive policy. This is the aggressive policy. And third one is average policy. Show this average. This arrow is average policy. Average policy. And last one is conservative policy. This dot is conservative policy. This is a chart for alternative current asset policies. This is the level of current asset and this output side.